The Italian fiscal code card, officially known as Italy's Codice Fiscale, is the tax code card in Italy, similar to a social security number card in the United States or the national insurance number issued in the United Kingdom. The tax code in Italy is an alphanumeric code of 16 characters. The card serves to identify unambiguously individuals residing in Italy irrespective of residency status. Designed by and for the Italian Tax Office, it is now used for several other purposes, for example uniquely identifying individuals in the health system, or natural persons who act as parties in private contracts. The number is issued by the Italian Tax Office. Each person in the past was handed a plastic card with a magnetic strip, bearing the tax code as well as the surname, given name, sex, place and province of birth, date of birth and date of issue. Today, the tax or fiscal code card has been replaced by a combined Italian health insurance card for qualifying residents which shows an expiration date. Recalculating one's tax code, on the Internet, there are several websites and software packages that allow one to calculate one's tax code. However, the only official tax code is the one provided by the tax office, which handles cases of identical tax codes, an arbitrary changing of a tax code, as well as cases where a code is incorrect, but still valid. Fiscal code generation. The laws covering the calculation of a fiscal code were put in place by the Ministry of Economy and Finances on December 23, 1976. For natural persons, the fiscal code is made of 16 alphanumeric characters. For legal persons it comprises 11 numeric-only characters. The algorithm that follows is used to generate natural persons' fiscal codes. Surname. The first three consonants of the surname are used. If there is more than one surname, both are considered as if they were one. If the surname has less than 3 consonants, then vowels will replace the blank spaces, in the same order they appear in the surname. If the whole surname has less than 3 letters, the blank spaces are replaced with an X. If women have a married name, only the maiden one has to be considered. First name. The first 3 consonants of the name are used. If there is more than one name, both are considered as if they were one. If the name has less than 3 consonants, then vowels will replace the blank spaces, in the same order they appear in the name. If the whole name has less than 3 letters, the blank spaces are filled with an X. Some Indian immigrants in Italy are registered with a triple X instead of their first name, since their passport only indicates a single word which is used as a surname by the Italian Register Office. If the name has more than 3 consonants, the second is skipped. This second consonant skipping rule for names that have more than 3 consonants is only used for first names, not for surnames. Birthdate and gender. Year of birth. The last 2 year of birth digits are used. Month of birth. Each single month is associated with one letter, as shown in the table. Birthday and gender. The 2 birthday digits are used. If the person is a woman, 40 is added. Town of birth. The so-called Fiscale code is used as Codice Catastale, which comprises 1 letter, then 3 digits. Each single Italian town has its own code, which is mostly determined by alphabetical order. People born in a foreign country have their own code according to the country of birth, all of them beginning with letter Z. For the complete list of the Italian towns' registry codes, see here. For the complete list of foreign countries' registry codes, see here. Check character. Starting from the preceding 15 characters, a check digit is determined as follows. The 8 odd characters are set apart. Same thing for the 7 even ones. After that, each single character is converted into a numeric value as shown in the tables below. After that, all of the values are to be added up, and the final result has to be divided by 26. The remainder will give the last character, according to the following table. Examples. Here is the fiscal code of a fictitious Matteo Moretti, born in Milan on April 9, 1925, surname MRT, name, MTT, birthdate and gender, 25D09, town of birth, F205, check character, Z, fiscal code, MRT MTT 25D09 F205Z. Here is the fiscal code of a fictitious Samantha Miller, born in the USA on September 25, 1982, living in Italy, surname MLL, name, SNT, birth date and GINA, 82P65, municipality of birth, Z404, Czech character. U, fiscal code, MLLSNT 82P65 Z404U, see also, national identification number, value-added tax identification number, information privacy, references, notes. External links, Codice Fiscale Generator. Generate and validate the Italian tax identification code, non solo capit, calculate your Italian fiscal code. Health card contains the fiscal code, DM 2376, fiscal code identification of individuals, fiscal code and health card, from the tax office website, Codice Fiscale Generator and personal data extractor from the Codice Fiscale unofficial tool from codesfiscale.com.